Port A. There is golf course and island moorings. Trying to intercept my There's Baffin out there.
Cover Starship, that's 613 Quebec.
Approach, say again.
Corpus departure November 6132 Quebec is off of Rockport at 2000.
November 6132 Quebec, Corpus approach, say request.
Yeah, we'd like to get flight following back to Hondo, Cessna 32 Quebec. We're Cessna 152 slant uniform.
Cessna 32 Quebec, what's your destination and altitude?
Destination is going to be Hondo, altitude is going to be 6,500.
Southwest 506, contact Houston Center 128.15.
Ingleside right there.
Cessna 32 Quebec, reset transponder, spot 4667.
4667. 4667. November 6132 Quebec.
Cessna 6132 Quebec, radar contact 4 miles north of Rockport. Corpus altimeter 3061, altitude leaving.
3061, we're leaving 3000, Cessna 32 Quebec.
There's where the TFR usually is. Take off right over that. Have to be 2,500 over that, so I'm cleared everyone. Much smoother up here at 6,500. $145 knots, making some good move. Here's Corpus Christi from the bay side.
6132 Quebec, we'd like to get a momentary frequency change.
So 6132 Quebec, say again.
We'd like to get a momentary frequency change, please.
So 6132 Quebec, approved as requested, report back up.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Okay, I am just about to be in Charlie airspace, but I'm over it, so be no problems. God, look at all those airplanes.
AC 4614, Corpus Pro, expect a visual approach runway 35, turn right heading 220, descend to maintain 5,000. AC 4614, I can give you 35, but if you want 31, that's fine. 4614, right?
A lot of planes out there. All on the ground. Christmas vacation. Flower Bluff.
AC 4614, affirmative, descend to maintain 5,000.
Corpus Christi, Texas.